Okay, you guys, Walmart has these teacher planners for only $7.94, and they're like an 8x11, a pretty good size. So let's look at the inside. Okay, yeah, so they're an 8x10 basically, and then it has monthly and weekly layouts, spreads for student info, substitute info, field trips, and more. It is a 12-month, so from this July to next June. They have some stickers on the inside, 2 pages of stickers. And then they have the information page, the 2025-26 calendar with also the holidays. They have a student log, seating chart, 2 seating chart pages that equal to 4, a notes page, and then at the beginning of each month, it has the quote of the month, top 5 priorities, call and email list, and then a notes side over here with also a mini monthly calendar layout. And then this is what each monthly layout looks like with the notes on the side, the next month at the bottom, and then nice square boxes over here for you to write in. And then each weekly part looks like this. So we have the subject up top, the week, what week it is, and then the days of the week on the side. Now I want to also say this would also be good for enrichment teachers, this layout. I used this layout last year. I would put kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, and we had 6th grade at our school. So I'll put those down the columns, and then in each row I'll put what we did for that class that I had that week, which our schedule fluctuated, so it was almost different grades every week. But that works out really well when you put the grade at the top, kindergarten through 6, in the column, and then that day you put what you did. So I had kindergarten on Mondays, and then maybe like a another grade I had on Mondays as well, and things like that, and so on. So that's that. And then it goes from January, like I said, all the way to the next. So let's flip to the back to see those extra pages they have under the communication log. They have student info. Eden, please stand up. Stand up, please. 2 pages of student info. Then they have communication logs down here in the back. A bunch of those, actually. And then they have some classroom incident notices with additional comments on the back. These may come in handy. You probably can even print some off. You can take a screenshot of that. So they have a couple of those as well, about that many. And then they have the substitute teacher info, which is also a lot of those. I'm trying to quickly flip through. And then they have a website login page at the back, which would also come in handy because I had to write mine on a random page last year. Oh, and then there's the field trip info. There's one last note page in the back, and there is no pocket.